Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off any alarms on a Casio Gshock 5081. This indicates that an alarm is currently on the watch. The first step is to click on the mode button several times until you see ALM or alarm. As you can see right now, my first alarm is off. Use the bottom left button to go through all the alarms and use the adjust button. Press the adjust button once to turn the alarm off. You can check for all alarms. Once you are done, press the mode button once to return to the timekeeping mode. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.